Good evening to all NMite. I am Regional Administrator Shivraj Meena. So today one more list came out and 7 more cases is positive. So you see last 20 days numbers are increasing so speedily. Now total 52 plus 3, 55 cases found positive in Yanam. So now situation is that we are not able to control things because persons are going outside to Yanam and getting infected. You analyze the data, you find all persons got infected in East Godavari district and they are coming in and spreading here. So out of 55, except 8 cases, all are got infected there. After that, 2 cases infected locally from those already infected in East Godavari district. Even today list also 7 we inquired and we found all persons infected East Godavari and Camp Yanam. So situation is very tough now. So please, my request to public, you should be very much careful. Going East Godavari, you should be very careful because we don't know what is happening, but persons are getting infection there and coming. Even though one example I tell you, one family 4% came positive yesterday. After in continuous inquiry, we found that even they thought they didn't go anywhere. Finally, we got information they visited Ramchandranpuram on function. So you cannot say that you are safe, because if you are doing this type mistake, you are visiting, not using precautions, and you are not at all following the protocol, risk is very high, because Andhra and East Godavari increasing cases, so definitely Yanam also getting infections. So my humble request, persons are those are going out and coming in, we have to be very careful. Those are either working, they are private, government job, anywhere, doesn't matter. But if you are going out from the house, you are unsafe. Going out, more unsafe. So please take it very seriously. It's not a game. You have to be very serious if you want to save yourself. Only solution is that you should be at home. If you are going out, 100% protect yourself. Use mask properly, use face shield properly, use sanitizer, keep social distance. If you are following these 4 things, 99% you are safe. Public should think about this, because number increasing enormously, so we can't do anything. We are extending the hospital facilities. Even we plan to extend the Metakuri school as a 50-bed hospital. Very soon it will be work. So after 7 days treatment in hospital, next 7 days we will shift them. And even though we will find out another place also, we need more. But if this much speedily increasing, no one expected. And reason is that Andhra and East Godavari increasing. Next this Saturday we'll get the testing machine, so it will be very much useful for us, because we are getting result little bit delay from East Godavari, Kakinada. So now my request to public, cooperate with administration. We might be we may change the time also, because that is also very important for us. Ultimate aim to save ourselves, save Yanam. For that, we yesterday planned to change the time 6 to 11, except essential things like medical shop and some milk booths. For that, your cooperation is must, and you are going out, you should take care. So now things in individual hands. Now individual is responsible. He or she should take care himself or herself. Then only we will be able to win. Otherwise, it will be a very tough situation. And my one more request to public: anyone having some fever, cold, cough, immediately you inform your local ASHA, ANM, because our teams are already working in the field. For example, I want to give brief regarding the teams. Yanam divided in 16 zones. One zone divided in 2 parts: non-quarantine, quarantine. Quarantine purpose, we are having zonal team Under zonal team, ASHA, ANM working and self-help group members also at the root level. Another non-quarantine, teachers are working under delegate and all teachers are giving report daily. So from teachers we are getting report and immediately based on the requirement we are quarantining them and we are watching. 24/7 we are watching the quarantine house. So my request to each and everybody, all public, please you inform if any quarantine person is violating and coming out from the home. And my request to public, support each other. You have to support quarantine families, especially for essential items. Even though we are also having system, officials are working, but public support also very important, because this is not a single person's fight. This is the unite fight. We have to unite and we have to fight. Then only we can get the success. So my request to public: you cooperate with the officers; those are in the field. You cooperate with the health staff. You cooperate with the police, because without cooperations, definitely will not get success. And we are trying to control as much as possible. Second things, some lack of the facilities in the hospital also we are getting complaint, but we are rectifying. We are trying our best, and definitely we will do our best also, no doubt at all. But public cooperation is a must. Anyway, small issues are coming and we are rectifying. So that is not a big problem, but public cooperation is a must in this case. Without that, there is no chance to succeed. Even I request all political parties, you have to support. Without everybody's support, we won't get success. I request all merchant associations, all other associations, that definitely you have to support. Arogya Setu app is very useful. We are getting alert and message, so everybody install Arogya Setu app, that I already informed. So now, if we want to win, we have to be unite and we have to fight. Thank you.